Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor and this is Gamer Geek TV. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my top 5 smart home necessities. Now, of course, obviously this is not a comprehensive list of all the smart home accessories, and obviously it very much so depends on what you yourself are trying to do and to automate in your own home with your own setup. However, for me and for my smart home setup, these are the top 5 things that I felt are absolute must-haves and things that I just can't live without being in my home. So I do hope you guys enjoy it, and please comment below with your favorite smart home tech and smart home necessities, and whether or not you think I left something off or you felt something shouldn't have been included. Just comment below and let me know. Now, coming in at number 5, we have the Wyze Labs Smart Home Plug. Now, I think that every single smart home, of course, is going to need smart plugs because you have plugs and things are plugged into it. And smart plugs are generally the easiest way to make something that isn't smart into something that is smart. At least you can turn it on and off, set it to a schedule, and things like that. And why I chose the Wyze is because they are actually I would say the most affordable option, coming in with, you get 2 of them for the price of $19.98 on Amazon. Now, these do work with Google Home as well as Alexa and If This Then That, so there are a ton of options in which you can use to control these and set these up and have all the electronics in your home working for you. At number 4, we have the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Now, there are a ton of different thermostat options that you can choose from, obviously. However, I personally have the Google Nest Thermostat, and I love it. I will admit that I mostly chose it because I like that it's a circle and I can play with it like that. Even though most of the time I just spend time, telling Google to change the temperature, or I control it from my phone, I still just very much don't like that. But they are a fantastic thermostat. It does work with Google Home, and there are a couple different options from a more affordable $169 all the way up to the 3rd generation, which is $229.99 on Amazon. And there are a lot of options you can do. I do really like the smart learning feature, where it will basically take the normal temperatures that you usually keep the house at to try to keep you comfortable based off of your using it and your profile on it, as well as what the temperature is outside. So I do like that. I do think that that is really awesome, and a smart thermostat is a definite must-have for any smart home. Coming in at number 3, we have the Philips Hue Starter Kit. Now, of course, every single smart home needs smart lights. And now, this is very much going to depend on how many lights you actually have in your home and how much you want to expand it. But I always suggest the Philips Hue because they do have a variety of options, from light strips to ambient lighting to outdoor lighting to just everything. And they're expanding every single day. They have multicolors, and there's all types of fun things that the Philips Hue lights can do, as well as the best and main feature of it is one of the few lights that actually has a hub, which means that only that hub is really what's connected to the internet, not 4 million lights that are bogging down your internet. Because of course there is LifeX and there are other optional options for lights. However, this one is very nice because if you have a whole bunch of lights in your house like I do, then you want to have just a hub, one centralized thing connected to the internet, rather than me having like 50 lights that are on my Wi-Fi. So that wouldn't be good. Either way, the starter kit starts out at $69.99 on Amazon, and then there are a variety of options from there. But smart lights are definitely a must-have for any smart home. The number 2 must-have smart home product is going to be the August Smart Lock Pro. Now, there are a variety of different smart locks, and they all have their pros and cons. However, one of the main reasons that I do like this one, the 3rd generation of it especially, is because it actually only changes the lock from the inside. So you maintain the same keyhole and everything on the outside in the event that you ever need to, manually unlock the door, or if you live in somewhere like an apartment complex or somewhere where someone needs to enter your apartment that wouldn't be able to have access to it through this, then I do very much like that feature. I do like the fact that it's in a circular shape that you just kind of turn. It does make it sort of like a piece and something to talk about when someone sees it. They're like, ooh, what's that? Because doesn't look like a regular, door lock. So, I mean, I really do like that. It's currently $172.99 on Amazon, and this is a definite great buy if you're trying to fully automate your home. And finally, coming in the first spot is going to have to, of course, be a smart home hub. Because how can you have a smart home without a hub? And of course, I'm talking about the Google Home. Now, there are a variety of Google Home hub options, from just the mini speaker, that's $39.99, or the actual Google Smart Home Speaker, which is $99.99. Or you also have the displays. There are several things that have Google Home integrated into it, and they are a definite must-have for any smart home. Now, of course, you can get the Echo Show, and of course, you can get Apple's HomeKit enabled products. However, Google still has the most diverse and expansive smart home universe, basically, and it's so much easier to use Google Home with almost everything. I mean, me personally, I have Google Home throughout my entire house, but I also, my main phone is an iPhone, and I have MacBook and Apple products. But I found that they all pretty much seem to seamlessly integrate together, and most all of my smart home equipment works with Google Home. So that is a definite must-have for a smart home. That way you can control everything from Google. You can just yell from your couch, tell it what to do, and most everything that works with Google Home also works with If This Then That. So it just gives you unlimited options of what you can do with your products. Alright guys, well that wraps up today's video. Like I said, this is not a comprehensive list at all, and it, again, very much so is going to depend on what type of setup you're wanting in your smart home and what exactly you're trying to do. However, for me, this is definitely what works. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to hit the little bell notification next to the subscribe button so that way you're notified as soon as I release new videos. And comment below with a piece of smart home tech that you absolutely cannot live without, that you have to have, that if you didn't have, you just don't even know how your life would function. Comment below, let me know, and I look forward to geeking out with you guys on the next one.